I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the screen perfectly clean and the workspace dust-free. This prevents bubbles and trapped debris. Use the wet wipe, then the dry, lint-free cloth, and inspect edges under a bright light. Once done, turn off the device and remove any case so the protector sits flush. Peel the protector's backing partially, hold the alignment tab, and position the edge carefully. This first placement determines the rest of the fit, so take a breath and steady your hands. You now apply the protector using a controlled, rolling motion. Start at one edge and lower slowly to avoid trapping air. As the film contacts the glass, press with a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber to push bubbles toward the nearest edge. If a stubborn bubble stays, lift the closest corner a millimeter. Use a dust sticker to remove particles, then reseal. Make sure to work methodically across the whole screen. Even pressure yields a flat, uniform bond. You finish by checking alignment around cameras, speakers, and edges. Press all sides down firmly to ensure full adhesion. If the protector has excess material, trim carefully only when the manufacturer permits. Do not cut near sensors. Once applied, small bubbles usually disappear within 24-48 hours as adhesive settles. However, if bubbles persist or there's trapped dust you cannot remove, lift and reapply or replace the protector. Remember, patience during reapplication prevents damage and yields a cleaner result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.